Hello, brother. Ready to maximize your hosting savings and avoid settling for average discounts? Let's dive right in. While many coupon codes deliver just 10% off, my referral code gives you that valuable extra 20% discount applied right at checkout, combining with Hostinger's base promotions for the true maximum deal available. To make it easy, I put my referral link and code in the video description, organized by country with prices in your local currency and instructions in your language. Pick the right one and click to land on the genuine Hostinger platform. Once loaded, click Products and Services from the main navigation bar to browse the complete lineup of hosting packages and add-ons. Rest assured, my 20% extra referral discount is valid on all Hostinger hosting plans, giving you flexibility to choose exactly what you need, whether it's entry-level shared hosting or powerful VPS. For today's example, we'll focus on the self-hosted N8 and VPS plans. Check out the tiers from KVM1 up to KVM8, and I'm selecting the reliable KVM2 option here. Head over to checkout and you'll clearly see the additional 20% discount from the referral reflected automatically on your order summary. Pure savings without any hassle. Enjoy top tier hosting at a fraction of the regular cost. If this tip helped you lock in that bigger discount, hit like, subscribe for future exclusive offers and guides, and share in the comments what you're building with your new plan. Don't wait, activate the referral discount via the link in the description and get started today.